exclusive on Chasu Show today. Chasu Show, your real marketing, mono. You're betting come over before Frobe. Where we taking Chasu Show is Steve One Collections. Steve One Collections. Ubo Steve One Collections. Central Market. Abonsanimu. So follow me. Let's have more. Let's talk more on Chasu Show live inside Steve One Collections. Let's go. Alright, so Dimachi, your course Steve One Collections. I want you to go to Chasu Show. No, I'm a choice. Abonsami Nuntemo. Make sure so be one first wrong, one go tale, papa. I say, oh, come on, I just want to forget it. Follow me, let's go. Chasu Show, you're funny, baby. And you're betting come baby. What I say, I'm out for any, my papa, you can't want them. And the man, you say, catch your life on Chasu. You're just shot from your purchasing in Chasu. So on Chasu Show, we'll be talking about the good things and about what he's doing. What I say, as somehow can't be answer. And some will be a Kenya sem, and also be doing come up. You're bending in eye, you make sure, say, Jedi Blay ambulance, and be okay, come in, and be on Oswaka, and then they are El Cosso, and Wakana, and if be here, I become one, you bet you won't come over, baby. And Marefi, we're talking about entertainment, we're doing all about entertainment. Entertainment is right here, inside LMTV, on LMTV, inside LMTV, around LMTV. LMTV, Vasa, you'll never be ready, man. We're not rushing, we're taking it cool, we're making sure you do the right thing at the right time. Masa, gidi biao for the slow. Mama Fontier say we're ready to mingle with the real sizzles. We got no muscle to wrestle with the real sizzle. So as we do it the whole team LMTV live and Chasu Show. We me myself and I. It didn't mean money be brave. Medical dika say it didn't win more. But medical some now can over free more. Me mama more. It didn't win montam. On fashion bottom. More dino. Young rum, young boom, young kikam. The Z power. And then Chasu near fun life. Kumasia watentare wasentare mbisa obabia yetuntare e kumasia baby omo motontare so mokofantare no ehona maba no what I say big shout outs to Steve One Collections I want to meet us here to the manager Nana Jessica Pa big shout outs to Nana Jessica Pa for making it large and happening live inside Steve One Collections I don't tell over your tongue so you can check me out as I'm wearing a shirt and Tony baby I am Tono. Listen out to you. I'm your night host, your night giant MC Stand on the phone from Zones of Mafia, your night killer, blood clot. And I say, this be your boy, your on only, your number uno. Live and exclusive LMTV, I'll bring to you Chasu Show, the exclusive entertainment news happening right inside Ghana and beyond. Exclusively with me, myself and I, the youngest and the dopest, your night god, your Z Power, MC Stanaman. Now, Chasu Show no. But I'm serious on this one. No one on my platform, no one should DM me on what to say and what not to say. TNA entertainment news na meka. And simple a good entertainment so and who here meka. And who here mejai. No one should DM me on who to talk about and who not to talk about. TNA when you are the papa Rebecca. That's why you are so exclusively me show so no ma chain. No ma chain ma to say Chasu. Now, Chasu so and I catch despite Eba, I friend Kennedy or says on Chasu. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Obia Cassette Yabo so on Chasu. I didn't also catch Ghana youth say, Omona, they should have enough sleep. Ghanaians youth should have enough sleep. I didn't know we have enough sleep. Omona, na Ghana for catch and say, oh papa dia, and Kaudu baby Odruno. Oh papa so die and go team manage company to say a despite group of companies uti manage here. So that's on your screen. Despite son your friend Kennedy Osei on a moon screen so Kennedy Osei. Now next to Chasu meka go see saying said Dana Samoa when Dana Samoa onusunie Dana Samoa onusunie. Now Dana Samoa cassette traditional authority and as a traditional council. Now some say Gan festival no any omoni be abosom som na mo Nyankopon e ma Nyankopon me hwe o man nti beyanka Gan festival no en na abosom to mu ntwa so masa wontimi kasasa ko Yesu Kristo ba no say kaza ya fo kaza de ma kaza na ya fo no Nyankopon de ma Nyankopon amamere etutimi kase entu amamere ntungu ne santi dana samwadi ahopepre or say fast Echo Gan traditional council ho akobuko toje no apaacho say mo fanche no wan kan ye nti osere na ono wo twaso enti ga traditional council so yeden omu ntwaso nice omu so yeden omu ntwaso ni ato aso kwame Eugene so betimi age Grammys awards no betimi age aba Ghana Kwame Eugene asema o kan no wonu Kwame Eugene onu sunie Kwame Eugene sunie ah yeah now we dropping new one be what you say we dropping new one and also trend kama obi ato wan obi aka wan anya no tina buy me buy say we see obeti magic Grammys na DNT a obeti magic Grammys and na die hianti a e was oji Grammys ni say e was Ghana for hu say Grammys na Ghana for dia it obi an support no onya Ghana for support obeti me agi Grammys. Big shout out to Kwame Eugene for making it happen. So what me aka say me nyina ni so aka say me big shout out to you. Yenim so beti me aye ya tawati on twaso so ya tawati enya wonko a try Kwame Eugene try na bo afoforo eno so hia what I say try na bo afoforo eno so hia me nyi range over now kwa wonnam na menchele nwie na me kan kire say wo ya adwum no e wo so bo afoforo be do betima boa otima fa akro nu aboa no what I say otima fra akro be fake boy bana me boa exclusively on twaso so ya boa so bia be ni niam yi nice one ni ato so enti eno ti na ono ani nua kidi eso aka asebi na kidi asem wo kan say se wo fo we nyum kakra o sample anyum na se wo de anyum a enye mistake enya ade bone what I say enya ade bone se wo be sample anyum na ade anyum enti obia so betimi ede aye enti onua Kwame Eugene ya enye bone Jedi play humbly on a rap beat say razana batana rakatata and you wait to make the Grammys. Best as to you Jedi play humbly now some Jedi play humbly can say Ghana okay last week me can say with you Screwface can say me say in the music industry Juju wom Jedi play humbly live on Hammer Show on Swaka or say Ghana music industry you know me adonim I say pulling down ewom dodo okoso ne echonsan and now say it's a Ghana enjaya emwa se Ghana enjaya side na emwa that's the side of Jedi Blay Ambule Ghana we are there be kan wanya there obetwaso we are there ye be kan wanya there obetwaso exclusively obetwaso sharp Mario if me say me was Steve One Collections what I say so she me tell the back papa be na be jo there na nkoso life now me kana na ba anamwa wa ya there now anyama na ba na mo ya no ebi na Steve One Steve One obo afoforo Steve One wa fan kra bebrebe agu na djuma ma ono so mo adwuma what I say on manager na Jessica pa omo boa say adwuma ebeko na nkra so nya biaye what I say to big shout out to Steve One Collections and na Jessica pa manager mo money ma ekoso life now and that me kan na ba anamwa ehwo asem na ba na mo afa to no so say so who graduate bi no ye adwuma bia ono be boa on a platform no dey share what I say no be we say nipa we hu tire no bi mo ano na say na ba na mo aye so de na ba na mo aye no wa fa graduate no okura first second class upper and oye boss adwuma tina ba na mo ani din komo no se guy ni hia adwuma onya adwuma now through na ba na mo interview with the guy no na guy no abu ama guy no say when you two chances the first one is to go outside and study and the second one is to stay in Ghana. No one yet can see how much big time. Big time. Master, big shout out to Nana Bana, big shout out to Steve One Collection, big shout out to Nana Jessica, big shout out to Mami Rosa, Mama Fan Kram, One Class, and a Bayan Crown, Subanian Sabako Mano. Big shout out to Yami Samo, others, Omotuma, and Koso. Big shout out to you all. And to say that in a Busa guy and say, why no? It's so bad that was no. I'll feed up a so yet more Ghana. Now, Seven is Caracaban and Sama, where the Tukanko to us, our scholarship. And to say, and of course, Ghana. Nice one. So exclusively on Chasu Show is your man, your full zone mafia, your ninth god, your ninth killer, your ninth master. The sea power. Call me MC Stanaman. Shut. Now make catch us a stone and that's who it was Steve One Collections. Big shout out to the manager, Nana Jessica Pa. They all making it loud. They all making it happen. Say you better Chasu Show no. In fact, Chasu Show maybe I will be waiting me there, bro. It's two ton more ton by the old ton be a more jemra also. Go waiting there to watch you more money for no when you're ready. Because next time we coming to you. Now me twaso Obia Lydia Forcing. Unim Lydia Forcing so on Choguno. That's Lydia Forcing. Now on Mother's Day, post your mommy. Also post your mommy will be a can once them. Oh, happy Mother's Day. Now, mistakenly, unfortunately, Obi ko commentate bad Facebook. So Lydia Forcing one cause I win the movie and over the one I to see and celebrate to mommy. And then some course the bubuja. Lydia Forcing the diabo and then no man baby. I'm on the follower and say what team follow me make can kwase sem chairman. In fact so be na house man so be can kwase chairman there and you will tasso. till Lydia Forsen I'm the coach also. Now Dope Nation Zanku hey Zanku hey Zanku so ka asem na asem Zanku kan no simple almost say omo Dope Nation for no there omo form kwaje political party BRT yen kodi we ti ko enuma no ko ni we ti ko enuma no we samba yen ka bebre kire se kombe di omo mpo se political party bi na mo maduane dia na komoni omo the political party be on media chain about boom akosoro dia na come ne omo sana Dope Nation and so eka sana Dope Nation and so can live. So big shout out to my South African people watching and listening live. South Africa for show me na big shout out to Mankulu Tankulus right inside South Africa. Helly Gray, big shout out to you baby girl. Helly Gray, big shout out to you for watching and sharing all our platforms. Yes sir. So big shout out to the soldier man himself, AB. What I say, so you need to see a gun in your European war, US or big shout out to you and your family. Nice one. On the lifestyle session, we talk about one celebrity who is doing very well. One celebrity who is making Ghana proud. One celebrity and Nema Oye and Ekonim and Mobia who near Mapa already. Oh yeah, we're talking about Kofi Kinata. In fact, so who's steady guy and now the guy here and more release a Tosumu. And that's what we urging all the upcoming artists. We urging all the upcoming artists. Obesio be with Senyumbi, Obeyo Biadiama, Amana Boadia, and you show Kofi Kinata. What I say? Send your young for Sino living in life. Kofi Kinata is on and one. It's our urge each and every upcoming artist. So Obesio be there, you show Kofi Kinata. Then Yama Oye, then your mobile, send your name, send your pizza and your man and Yaji. Sir, and also now on the event section. And then break also. From my weekends, baby Neboso, baby Koso live exclusively. Now Tafu say big time this weekend. Opia Mrefie, what I say, but you and Fie, as I Koso Tafu. Now, Open baby Eddie, fine. Open baby at night, and you want more near John Wodia, and you already know also. Also, already also do any chair, already, Massa. And one more papa, Jollof papa, Feathers papa, and you're already also already. What do I need to for events? We're not organizing event big time. Bium, young can want some giddy bium because the government is against events and all the. But I tell you, big events are happening or Bantama. Of course, don't forget the originator of El Coso. Wawuna na yeno, if you had that Elcopim Cosiada or Bantama, big time. Street in the Munina, Lucky Street in Bantama, she be a Yajuma. So just for Yajuma. Ambulance in Yajuma Bantama. Just a big time, of course, with the originator of El Coso show. Woo, it's the end of the year this Friday, Elcopim Saturday. Big shout out to the RMM gang watching and making a laugh happening here and right here. Big shout out to the birthday man himself, the CEO, the manager, the director general. Zach, but still Yanyabre, Yakani, Yafenyago, Mr. Zach, you know worry. Watch it, Master, Mr. Zachary, happy birthday to you. As I say, a one person officer and our now we are done for so our exclusively. Our Chasu show. Remember myself and I. So show me sending my address, sending him a queer in free baby Steve Collections. What I say, located right inside Roman Hill, I see on a central market. What I say, opposite Abronsani Nuna, about Steve big time. What I say, and Champion Monomos to Janessa, Opa, Papa said, yeah, Steve also do any chair. Do your papa. Bags, the shoes, the sneakers, the BBL, cost of life. Our Steve Collections. Big shout out to the manager himself, Nana Jessica, Master on wiring, into person wiring, also I know looking sharp. What I say, big shout out to the big sister herself, Sister Rosa, Milavia, you my sister for life. And big shout out to you, the team watching live, RM Gang. Exclusively, I'm your ninth giant, your ninth god, your full from some mafia, your ninth killer, the ladies man. If I battle from me, the Z power, the Z power. Met me about and my refi, met me about baby. I will be this is trust so. Who can one can hear? Your trust so near from near Shantia, near Ranch, near Catchers Killer. Trust so.